Hi, let us present you our project Mizamike Scope. Mizamike means use of again in a local language, and scope is the sorting and collection of plastic in our environment. We live in Togo, a small country facing today a serious waste problem including plastic causing more damage. This is quite amazing, but more than 3 billion plastics are used per year in our capital Lomé. A good news is that there are currently several facilities specialized in plastic recycling, but their impact is a lot constrained by the harsh conditions of collection and that the sorting still not part of people's habits. Our project aims to better connect the problem and its solution due to a discretionary SMART, who will rely on a smart city project already in place. The project Lomé African Hub City, whose goal is the increase in a given territory incubators WELAs, thought to become true digital lungs of the city of tomorrow. We propose to transform each of these incubators in a sorting center for periphery. In this example, for example, the house of Sika, Amen and Selam depend on WELAB Zero. Let us see now how our project works in 4 steps. We decided to take in consideration people's habits and use these recycled plastic garbage cans. So each household can subscribe by giving its members and paying an affordable amount. Then the household will be given as a kit form a MacBook to note their waste weight, a garbage can and a plastic bag, which are all recycled products. The beep is an real African habit like in our country where everybody is accustomed to beep. So you have just to make what we call an echo beep when your garbage can is filled, and the information will be transmitted to the other Fab Labs from our application Scope Web hosted in WELAB servers. This is just a capture of our application's interface. Another habit we have is to use strollers that will be our convenience. The third step consists therefore to weigh the waste note it in the MacBook and go back to our lab sorting center. Finally, all collected plastics will be sorted and sold to Recycling Association. Here is an example of the data we can collect from customers and see on our website. These are the 4 steps of our project in summary. Schools and companies can also subscribe, and we plan to install big garbage cans with electronic level sensor on streets. Here we can see the fill level of the garbage can number 2 of Clicame Street. Still on the dimension collection, treatment and daytime viewing of the data, we are a young multidisciplinary team looking forward to seeing the impact that the proposed system could have over time in ecological and technological transitions. We are hoping to improve the urban landscape of Lomé that could serve as a model or be taken over by other African cities.